Hey Dog Bros, Josh from DigiWoof here, and in today's video, we're going to be creating a brand kit inside of Canva so you can easily customize templates to your brand colors and fonts in a matter of seconds. So I'm going to jump right in, and so I'm inside of my Canva desktop app here. You can do this on the browser app as well, but basically from the home screen, I'm going to find brand. Now, inside of brand, I then want to add new. I'm going to do brand kits, and I'm just going to call this test brand. Now from there, I'm going to create. And so this should be pretty straightforward. So for one, I'm going to find my logo. You should have yours readily available. And so there we are for my own. Okay, it's going to upload that. I might upload my white version, my icon only version, any other versions of my logo that I might want to use inside of social media posts or lead magnets so that I can easily pull from my brand kit. So once I have my logos in here, I'm just going to go for this one for time's sake right now. Once I have that in there, though, I can then, for one, it is going to pull some of my colors from my logo. So if you have relevant brand colors, that's a good start. And then I may want to add some additional colors too, so that I may have some additional complementary colors. Whatever your brand colors are, you're going to want to add them. So for one, I'm going to keep these. I'm then going to add in any other color codes that I have. If you're not sure what your color codes are, you can upload any of your marketing materials into Canva and then use the color picker to basically get that code. It should be pretty straightforward. Now, once I have all of my colors in there, I'm just going to put one more. Okay, and let's, just for the heck of it, let's pretend this is one of my brand colors. So I'm going to just add that. Okay, so I have 4 right here. You can pick as many as you want. You may have different shades of your brand color just so you have different variables to choose from, so you're not just keeping it uniform all the time. Once I have my colors, I'm then going to add brand fonts. I know mine off the top of my head. You can use online tools like What the Font, which actually will help you determine what font you're using in your logo, or you don't have to necessarily be exclusive to the font you're using in your logo either. You could pick one that is complementary or similar, but basically we want one that is hopefully web friendly. So one that we're going to be able to find on Google Fonts potentially. So I know my fonts, so I'm going to pick Arvo as well as Nunito, and then I may pick a bit body font as well. I typically use Nunito for myself for that. So those are my particular ones. Don't steal them, please. And so then once I have these, you can also upload any font files that you have too. I will mention that as well. So once I have these in here, so I have this new brand kit in, I think we're a little bit under 4 minutes so far. So pretty darn simple. Now, once I have that brand kit, I'm then going to go to templates. I'm just going to find one really quick. So I'm going to search carousel. Okay, and let's find one. Instagram carousel. There we go. So we're finding some that look reasonable to use, right? So I might be creating a carousel with some tips on it. So 3 tips. Here we are. This looks good enough. So once I have this, I can then customize the template here. With this selected, I'm going to be in design. And then next to templates, I'm going to go to styles. And so then we can see here, I have my Woof Culture one selected, but I'm going to go to that test one that I made for DigiWoof. I'm going to first select the colors. So you can see that I keep clicking this. It is going to give me different color variables. And so the more colors you have, the more options it's going to give you. Additionally, I am then just going to pick my fonts. There we go. This looks pretty good. Okay. So I might say 3 tips for beginner dog parents, for example. So you may need to do some customization for the content, obviously. I may change this to a photo of a puppy playing, for example. Easy enough, right? So we have the first page done. I might then go to the second page, go to design, styles. There we go. And so it's picking the style that I had for the first page, which is very helpful. Additionally, I then just want to change the font. So there we are. So easy enough. So you can see how you might then apply this to the rest of these pages, for example. If you are one of our customers inside of Clicks, or if you've bought any of our lead magnet templates, the same thing applies here for those too. So we'll do another video where you'll see me customize one of our ebook templates for a brand. So can't wait. We'll see you there.